Let's learn more about ice hockey. What is ice hockey? Ice hockey is a sport played on ice with a stick and a puck. Let's look at vocabulary for hockey equipment, the names of players, and some main hockey verbs. 1. Hockey equipment. What is a hockey stick? A hockey stick is a long tool used to hit the puck. What is a puck? A puck is a small black object. Players hit in hockey. What is a hockey helmet? A hockey helmet is a hard hat to protect the head. What is a hockey jersey? A hockey jersey is a sweater hockey players wear to show their name and number and the name of their team. What are shoulder or knee pads? Shoulder or knee pads protect players from injury. What are hockey gloves? Hockey players wear large gloves to protect their hands from injury. 2. The names of players. What is a team? A team is a group of players who play together. What is a goalie or a goaltender? A goalie or a goaltender is the person who stops the puck from going into the goal. What is a defenseman? A defenseman protects his own goalie and prevents the other team from scoring goals. What is a forward, also called a center or a winger? A forward is a hockey player who is out in front trying to score goals. 3. Hockey verbs. What does to score mean? To score is to get the puck into the goal. What does to skate mean? To skate is to move on ice using special shoes called skates. What does to pass mean? To pass means to give the puck to another player. What does to shoot mean? To shoot means to hit the puck towards the goal.